Have you ever cooked edamame and found yourself staring at the pods, wondering, okay, but how do I actually know if these are ready to eat? It's a question a lot of people have, and the good news is that figuring it out is much easier than you think. Edamame is one of those foods that doesn't need a lot of time in the kitchen, but the secret lies in knowing the little signs that tell you it's perfectly cooked. First, let's talk about the look. When edamame is ready, the pods change color slightly. Instead of looking pale and dull, they turn into a vibrant, bright green that almost looks like it's glowing. That shift in color is one of the first clues that you've hit the sweet spot. The pods should also look slightly plump, almost like they're filled with tender beans inside that are eager to pop out. Next, there's the texture test. If you press the pod gently with a spoon or between your fingers, the beans inside should feel firm but not hard. When you actually pop one out and bite into it, the bean should be tender with a nice bite, not mushy and not too chewy. If it still feels tough, give it a little more time. If it feels soft and falling apart, it probably went too far. That's why timing is key. Usually 3 to 5 minutes of boiling, steaming, or microwaving is all you need. Another sign is the smell. Perfectly cooked edamame has a fresh, slightly nutty aroma that tells you it's done. It's subtle, but once you've cooked it a couple of times, you'll start to recognize that scent as the signal that it's ready to come off the heat. And here's a trick that never fails. Taste test. Grab one, sprinkle a little salt, and give it a try. If it tastes fresh, warm, and satisfying with just the right bite, congratulations, you've nailed it. Cooking edamame isn't about complicated steps or exact science. It's about noticing these small details. The best part is that once your edamame is ready, you can enjoy it in so many ways. Plain with a pinch of sea salt, tossed in garlic and chili, or even mixed into salads. It's quick, healthy, and honestly kind of fun to eat. So the next time you're unsure, just look, feel, smell, and taste. Your edamame will let you know when it's ready.